Hello, it's Thanksgiving Day today in Canada and they majorly use turkey for their celebration. Let me show you. First of all, let me show you how you buy your turkey. So you go to the store, you go to the turkey section, you see that the turkeys are bagged, and then you have to select the one you want to buy according to weight. So the more the weight, the more expensive, so you have to choose which one suits your budget. You pick one and pay for it. Then you go home. So the turkey is home. You see how big this turkey is. You have to freeze it first because it's so frozen. But before that, just behind this pack of turkey, there is instruction on how to and on how many hours you should roast your turkey. So follow those instructions to get the right timing for your delicious roasted turkey. Next, soak the turkey in water so that it can defreeze, or you can put it in the fridge and leave it there to freeze. But of course, soaking it in water is faster. While your turkey is defreezing, bring all your ingredients together. When the turkey has defrozen, please wash it very well with salt, in and out very well, and then get ready. Season it for roasting. I finished washing the turkey. Right now, I want to pour all my ingredients on the turkey and start rubbing it in. And when I'm done, I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator to rest for a few hours. After a few hours, I have moved it from the refrigerator into the oven for baking. I flipped the turkey over to the other side after 2 hours. Finally, the turkey is ready. Time to bring it out. Yum, 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 yum. And this is the final result, so you can serve it with any dish. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and share the video, and happy Thanksgiving to Canada. Bye.